IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you like the home where you grew up? Band 5. Answer.
I like my home where I grew up because it was simple. It was small but comfortable, and I felt safe there. I don't have many things to say, but I think it was a nice place.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, basic ideas, sometimes unclear. Lexical resource. Simple vocabulary. Limited variety. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences. Noticeable errors. Pronunciation. Understandable, but with several lapses typical of Band 5. Typical of a Band 5. Basic communication with difficulty extending ideas. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I really liked the home where I grew up. It wasn't very big, but it had a warm atmosphere, and my family made it feel lively. I especially remember spending time in the garden, which is still one of my favorite memories.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth, natural flow. Ideas extended well. Lexical resource. Good range with some precise vocabulary. Grammar. Mostly accurate with complex structures used naturally. Pronunciation. Clear and mostly natural throughout. Typical of a Band 7.5. Strong, natural communication with occasional minor slips. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. I have a deep affection for the home where I grew up. It was a modest house, but it had a wonderfully welcoming feel, and every corner of it holds a memory. What I treasure most is how the environment shaped my sense of comfort and stability. Even now, just thinking about it brings me a sense of calm.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, sophisticated delivery with well-developed ideas. Lexical resource. Precise, nuanced vocabulary. Grammar. Fully flexible, accurate use of structures. Pronunciation. Natural, expressive, and easy to understand. Typical of a Band 9. Fully natural, insightful, and complete communication. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.